Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook an egg like McDonald's Egg McMuffin. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a good non-stick pan and an egg ring, ideally about 3-5 inches in diameter. A lid for your pan is also crucial, as it helps create the perfect steamy environment. Make sure you have one large egg, 1 tablespoon of water, and your favorite salt and pepper ready to go. Now, let's prepare our egg for cooking. Lightly grease the inside of your egg ring to ensure the egg releases easily later. Place the greased ring directly into your cold, non-stick pan. Carefully crack 1 large egg into the center of the ring. Don't worry if a little white escapes. It will cook up nicely. Finish by seasoning your egg with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. It's time to cook. Place your pan with the egg ring over medium-low heat. Let it cook for about 2 minutes, allowing the bottom to set slightly. Next, carefully pour 1 tablespoon of water into the pan outside the egg ring. Immediately cover the pan with a lid. This creates steam, which cooks the top of the egg perfectly. Continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes until the yolk is set to your liking. Your egg is almost ready. Carefully remove the lid and then gently slide the egg ring off the cooked egg. Use a spatula to transfer your perfectly round egg directly onto your toasted English muffin or breakfast sandwich. The egg should be firm around the edges with a beautifully set yolk, or slightly runny if that's your preference. Enjoy your delicious, homemade Egg McMuffin-style breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.